Hi guys, Tisa here, back again with another wig review, and for this one we're going to talk about Bobbi Boss's LIVANA. It's a cute short bob. Just want to try to get you Miss LIVANA, a cute neck length bob. She comes, well, we'll talk about her after I put her on. Alright, so let's just try her on immediately. It's supposed to be soft permiaki. So let me just show you all what it looks like in hand. Let's just look at the cap construction a little bit. So 2 combs at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and a breathable, stretchy cap material. Right off the bat, guys, this is not big head friendly. Let me tell you all one time. Yes, it's true I'm wearing a wig grip and stuff. My head is not that big, right? Well, she has a lot of baby hair, right? So let me just get rid of the lace, finesse her a little bit, and then we'll talk about it some more. Okay, so this is basically it. Glueless install. Because of the tightness of it, I didn't think it was necessary. I chose not to cut the baby hair because this is definitely going in a wig sale. This is cute. I like the texture. It does look like my hair relaxed, and if my hair was thick and juicy, it would look like this, but my hair is so thin. Nonetheless, the cap is the size. The size of it is snug, and this is gonna stay on. That is the good thing about it. It will stay on. The pros are definitely the length, the texture, the density is really good. Let me turn so you could see what it looks like at the back. Right, she moves. Nice body on her. I could tuck it behind my ear, which I did, of course, so I like that. The only thing I don't like about this is this bump at the end. I don't know, it's just me. I wouldn't call this a con. This is the style of the unit. There are longer ones as well, so I think I might prefer the longer ones because it doesn't necessarily have this serious bump at the end here. Her sister Denise, it doesn't look as, this one has the bump, so I don't think I like this one, but this one probably. Anyway, we're here to talk about LIVANA. She's under $40 US. And it's a 5-inch deep pattern space, which I just put a little bit of powder because I just find it was a little bit too close, and I'm not going to do the whole pre-plucking and none of that business. No, that's not, this chick right here, she don't do that, right? Also, what can I say about her? Is she heat safe? I'm looking on the stock card to see if they say she's heat safe. Oh, do you like my setup? This is temporary but I said let me like jazz it up a bit. Also, I just want to say yay, I have 500 subscribers finally, and that feels really good. It would be nice to have a little more views to match subscribers, but that's okay. One thing at a time, Tisa High. We'll get there, but I'm very happy to have you all. So thank you so much for joining my little family. I haven't done a makeup and stories in a long time, so I'll be definitely doing that soon, and also other stuff. Anyway, back to the wig. It doesn't have really much to say about her, you know. I didn't get any shedding. She doesn't tangle at all, and as I said, it's an easy just throw on. As you all saw, I didn't do any gluing or anything like that. And just, if you want, this is not necessary, of course. If you don't want baby hair and all of that, not necessary, but the ones that it comes with is way too long, so you'll have to trim it. And that's basically it. This color is 1B, and of course it has a range of other different colors. Thank you guys for coming, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.